Students, today we will continue our reading of block 18. So this is your content book. Open page number 10 of block 18. Okay students, so today we will start our reading from the process. Okay, actually these lines we studied in the last video, but these points are related to today's video. That's why I am again explaining you. Okay, so first of all, what is matter? Matter can be of three types. Matter is anything that make material, and matter can be of three types: solid, liquid, gas. Like this pencil is made up of solid matter. Okay, and every matter have different properties. Okay, solid, liquid, gas have different property. Then in the last class we studied change in forms of material, means changing of material, means solid convert to liquid, liquid convert to gas, and then again gas convert to liquid, liquid again solid. Okay, so students, I can explain you with a diagram. Okay, this diagram, listen carefully. Okay, so beta, these are some pieces of ice, and ice pieces are solid. Okay, if I put in room temperature, then the ice melt and convert into liquid. Yes students, yes or no? Okay, then if I put this liquid into a hot kettle, electric hot kettle, or on the gas in a can, then what will happen? This water boils and make steam, and the steam which make is a gas. It means ice convert into liquid after melting process. Okay, and liquid convert to steam after boiling process. Understood students? So ice convert into liquid by melting process, and liquid convert into gas by boiling process. When you are drinking hot cup of tea in the morning, some steam is coming out from your cup, and that steam is a gas. Okay students, then gas again convert to liquid. If you put a cover on the can of hot water, then the steam converts into bubbles. Okay, and again that bubbles drop down and make a water. अगर आपने कोई केटल के अंदर पानी गर्म किया है और उसको लिड से कवर कर दिया, तो वो जो बबल्स हैं स्टीम के, वो बबल्स बन के वापस से वो कन्वर्ट किस में हो जाएगा? वाटर में हो जाएगा, मीन्स लिक्विड. तो दैट प्रोसेस इज अ कंडेंसेशन, एंड देन लिक्विड अगेन kept in freezer again convert to solid, means ice. Okay students, so come to reading. The process by which a liquid change into gas on heating is boiling. Okay, जब हम heat में liquid gas में change हो जाएगा, that process is a boiling. Sometime a liquid change into gas without heating. Without heating भी liquid है ना gas में change हो जाता है. This process is evaporation. When we put our clothes in sunlight, sunlight also gives us heat, and that heat evaporate the water of wet clothes. गीले कपड़ों का जो पानी है वो evaporate किससे हो गया बेटा? सन की heat से. When you hang wet clothes out in the sun, the water from the clothes evaporate. Okay, when you put a kettle of water on a stove like this, see bubbles in water, it means it is boiling. And the process by which a solid change into liquid due to heat is known as melting. And if I put a lid on this container, what will happen? These bubbles, yes, reached at this plate and again drop down in the form of liquid. Okay beta, next point. The process by which gas change into liquid form on cooling again gas into liquid is known as condensation, and the process by which liquid change into solid again is known as freezing. Students, you have to learn this glossary definition. Okay, these are important. What is boiling? When liquid change into gas. Condensation, when gas change into liquid. Evaporation, when liquid change into gas. Freezing. Okay, so simple this diagram you have to learn. Okay, ice convert to liquid by melting. Liquid convert to steam or gas when boiling. Gas convert to water when condensation. Liquid convert to ice when freezing. Okay students, so read this block carefully and listen students. I will ask the question, okay, in online class and in paper. Okay, so read this block carefully and we will meet in the next class. Bye students, take care.